Hey, welcome back. I hope you subscribe so you can keep following along with these cool DIYs. Today I've made a wreath made completely from items from the Dollar Tree. And I hope you enjoy. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let's get right into it. So you're only going to need a few things. I have a wreath that I got from the Dollar Tree, some garland. And so what I'm going to do is just secure the garland, kind of like looping it through at one end just so it doesn't slip around once I start. And then just keep wrapping it around. So just going through the hole and wrapping it around, keeping it close so that there's no gaps. Also for the circle thing, wreath thing, I don't know what it is, wire thing, you can get other colors if you want. I got black for this one, but once I get to the end, I just do the same thing, looping it through, and it's nice and sturdy and strong. And then I have a few ornaments that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. These I thought went along with the theme, and I'm just gonna pick those out and open them up and see where I want to place it. So I'm deciding to place it in the center there. And it's cute because it has a little garland detail also on it. Also these like berry things and this big bow that I have. The berry things I want to put on the pieces that, the little lines that are in the middle of the wreath thing, because they're not going to be covered. You could just leave them, but I wanted to cover them up. The way the berries are on the stick, they don't stick that well. Even with the glue, you probably have to tie them down. So I'm just cutting them into smaller pieces so that I'm able to glue them down and they'll stay. So I'm just making basically little bunches, but I'm taking, little pieces at a time and gathering them all up and gluing them down to finish it off on each little, area thing there. That part is real easy, and if you wanted, it'd be cute you could mix. So I also had silver little berry pieces, but I didn't use those there. But you could like mix and match them and make different little clusters and stuff like that. All right, for the ornament, then I'm just gonna glue it. I give it a little bit of glue, press it down on the back of there so that it stays when it's hanging, and glue more of the little berry like things on top, and that's it. I also had these stickers. I got them a while ago from the Dollar Tree, so I'm not sure if they still have them. I will check, and if they don't, then I'll put a link for something similar to it. And they're cute because they have the little glitter, and you could write, because it's 3 spaces, you could write ho ho ho. I just did it 2 times to get the holiday feel, or you could write whatever you wanted. Because they are stickers, they're not going to stay that sturdy, so I glued them down also. And that's it. You could leave it just like that, but I had a few more things and I wanted to add to it. So I had a big bow, and I thought the bow was cute because when I got it home, I realized it clips. So that's it. It's done and I love it. So get creative. All right, so that was it. It was real simple, real easy. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be doing a few more quick holiday DIYs. And then when holiday time really gets going, I'm going to really just kick into it next month. But make sure to keep watching, and for other home decor as well.